Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into a hot topic, how to export data from Airtable to Excel. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your Airtable base containing the data you want to export. The reason we do this is to ensure we're working with the correct data set. It's like choosing the ingredients for your recipe. Now that we've done that, look for the Options menu in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down list that appears, select Download CSV. This helps us because CSV is a format that Excel can interpret easily. It's like translating a foreign language into one we can understand. At this point, your browser will automatically download a CSV file of your Airtable base to your default Downloads folder. Let me explain why this matters. This CSV file is a versatile format that can be read by many data processing tools, including Excel, making it a universally accepted data transfer medium. Next up, navigate to your Downloads folder and locate the CSV file. Open it up. It will automatically launch in Excel, and voila, you have your Airtable data right there in Excel. This is important because once the data is in Excel, you can manipulate, analyze, and visualize it in ways that are more familiar to you or your team. Finally, remember to save your newly opened file in Excel format. The reason we do this is to ensure that all future changes you make in Excel remain saved in a format that Excel can easily interpret. It's like securing your data in a safe vault. And there you have it, folks. That's how you export data from Airtable to Excel. As you can see, it's a pretty straightforward process that lets you seamlessly transition between two powerful data management tools. And with that, we wrap up this tutorial. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.